Today we're going to be making something really fun, and this is my chocolate chip cookie cake. Into our large bowl, I'm going to put in all of our butter, and my butter is at room temperature, so it's very soft. And I want to start mixing this around. Then we'll add in our sugar. Get all of that right in there. We'll start creaming this together. That looks pretty good. And then I'm going to grab my egg and get that in there. That looks good. I'll get in all of my vanilla. To that, we'll get in all of our flour and our little bit of baking powder. And I'm just going to start sifting that in. Speed number 1. I don't want a dust cloud. We'll just start slowly mixing all of this in. And that's good. And then our last ingredient, all of our chocolate chips. We'll just get all of those in there. Grab our mixer one last time and just mix these in a little bit. Just so that they all get covered with that dough. And that's it for the recipe. On to our next step. Always use a spatula and make sure you get everything out of your bowl. And I'll just show you a little trick. Just get yourself a little bit of water, put your spatula into the water, and what that does is it prevents it from sticking to your spatula and just makes it a lot easier to spread out. And I think that looks pretty good. So now I'm going to pop this into my 375-degree oven until it's nicely baked, and then I'll come back. So here we have it, exactly 14 minutes in the oven, 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This is extremely hot, and that's what I want. I'm going to grab my little cutter, and I'm just going to go right through. I just want to make sure that it's cut. And I'm just washing off my blade between cuts. I'm just going to go down again. Because once this hardens up, it's going to be extremely hard to cut. So clean off my blade again. One more time, clean your blade. And our last little cut right here. All the way down. And that's perfect. And at this point now, we have to let this completely cool. Now that our cookie has cooled right down, I'm just going to grab another little cooling rack, put it on top, and flip it over. And there we have it. And because of that parchment paper that we put in there, the cookie just comes right out. And then to flip it back over, one more flip, and again. And there we have it. Then I'm just going to grab a serrated knife. I'm just going to go over my cuts again. And there we have it. Let's pull all these apart. Look at that. Oh, and this smells really good. So I've just zoomed in, and I guess I'll give this a little bit of a spin, just so that you can see this. Now, I did these for 14 minutes. If you want these a little bit more crispy, you're going to go about 16 minutes. You might even want to do 17 minutes. Right now, these are very fudgy. You can see how nice these are. Look at this. Oh, wow. That just melts in your mouth. Really good. Look at that. Oh. Amazing. That's good. I had to stop the camera just for a couple of seconds because I was really enjoying that. Really fudgy and delicious. That's it for today. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. I really do appreciate that. That's it, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.